Okay, example 6. So ignore this part, that was our solution before. So the graph shows the relationship between acceleration and displacement from a fixed point for a body of mass 2.5 kilogram at which executes simple harmonic motion. So determine the amplitude, period, maximum speed of the body, as well as the total energy of the body. Okay, so we are answering this based on these graphs here. So this is acceleration against displacement punya graph, where the gradient will actually tells us the value of negative omega square. Okay, alright, so now let's do the solution. So amplitude, I'm just gonna write next to the question here. Amplitude is basically the maximum displacement, the displacement of the motion which is the one shown here. So it is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, so that is the amplitude, and then we have to find the period. So the period is we have to use the formula for maximum acceleration lah. So at this point we know that this is actually equal to a omega square. Okay, so a omega square is the maximum acceleration. Okay, so the maximum acceleration is 0.8 meter per second square, which the formula is a amplitude omega square, where omega tulis je lah, terus 4 times 10 negative 2, where this is equal to 2 pi over t. So rearrange, you will then get the period to be equal to 1.4 seconds as the period. Okay, you can also use the gradient for the graph, but I feel like it's easier for you to just use the formula for maximum acceleration lah. Okay, lepas tu, we have to find the maximum speed of the body. That is basically just V max equal to A omega. Okay, and so this one, just substitute again a 2 pi over t square, which gives us the maximum speed to be equal to 0.180 meter per second. Okay, right, and then lastly we have to calculate the total energy of the body. So this is E equal to half m omega square a square. So again we have to substitute for 2 pi over t square a square, which gives us the total energy to be equal to 4.03 times 10 negative 2 joules. Alright, okay, so that is the solution for example number 6. Oh, before that, make sure you pay attention to the unit given if they are dalam graph. Make sure this one, macam contohnya this one is centimeter, but then this one dia bagi kita dalam meter per second square. So if they ask the amplitude and then kamu letak 4 meter, it is wrong lah, automatically wrong, because it's written clearly here it is in centimeter. Right, okay, so that's the end for example number 6.